Hi, it's Mike from CustomCruisers. Here we are, we've got a light bar kit here. You can see here different lights we do, okay? So this is a relay kit. We also do this in chrome. This is a Harley one. We do a Jap one. Basically, you take your clamp off for your brake or your clutch. This goes in its place, triggers relay, lights your lights. Now these particular lights are LED, which means technically you shouldn't even need a relay because they're such low power compared to your normal sealed beams or your, this is like a high-low one. But we also do a halogen, which is obviously better than this and this, but not a touch on these LEDs. The great thing about these lights, this one here sticks back a long way. So if you've got an old-fashioned bike with no screen, looks all right. You've got the high beam indicator because it's dual beam. This one here, flat back spot. This is basically a Cobra. This is what they use National Cycle as well. This is used with screens as well. But this particular light, in spite of having a nice, deep, beautiful look, which Harley use, this is like a USA style or electroglide spot.